Okay, this video we make introduction for the touch screen, okay, for the control. After we power on the machine, the controller will come to this home page. Okay. Here is a language changer. Okay, this is Chinese, this is English, and this is the production quantity. This is a manual and auto version changing part. This is auto. Here is automatic mode, right? Manual mode. And this is a zero output that can reset the production quantity. Okay, for example, when this changing to many pieces like 300 or 400, you know. When next day you do the new production, you can just press zero output to reset the production quantity. So this is the reset. Reset part means light each air cylinder or the servo will come to the original place. For example, I press this one. Okay, the unloading arm will go to the zero place, and for the cylinders we go to the reference place. Okay, this is the reset. The sanding nail. Sanding nail is loading the screw. Okay, you can check here. It's a screw loading machine. Okay, the laberator feeding for the screws. Okay, when we load the spare screws in this tank, we must make sure the screws shouldn't be higher than this rack. Okay, than this rack, because this track is feeding the screws. If the screw is higher than this, it will influence the normal feeding. Okay. And here is the screw, it will feed by air. Okay. When we press the nail feeding button, it will feed the screws to the mold, to the assembly mold. Okay, screwdriver mold. Let us press the sanding nails. Okay, you can check the difference. Right now the molds don't have screw, right? Okay. So I will press the sanding nails button. Yeah. So the screws is coming here, right? If you want to take off it, just right? So we must make sure the screws don't drop down to the how to say, the fixture for the wood stick. Okay, if this inside it will influence the normal production. So this is the sanding nails, and this is the manual operation. Okay, for the manual operation, it can control each air cylinder, you know, every production action. Okay, that button. For this, we will introduce later in detail. Okay, let's return back here. This is the batch head tab. So for this, normally we don't use. For the A and B, the information just show what the screwdriver is used. Okay. For example, I will let it come down. Operation. Okay. This is. Yeah, this is the screwdriver. Okay, this is the model. The model for the screwdriver information we will show here. We will show here. A. This is the factory code. Normally, this code is into this screwdriver. Okay, this one. So the B is for the drill bit diameter. Okay, for this drill bit we use the 3.5 millimeter. So we show here 3.5 to back here, and this is the system sizing. So for this page we have a lot of system data. That means the delay, you know, for each action. You can set up it as per the real production. Normally for this setup is already very well to set up at the factory, so normally we don't change it. Okay, here This is load production quantity, bed quantity load. Okay. And this is drilling motor doesn't stop in operation, disable. That means you can change it, enable. So that means if you keep the drilling motor working for every for any station, so you can just select enable. Okay. If you select disable, that means the motor only start when do the drilling job. Okay. When it lift, it will stop. And this is drop feed function. Drop feed function. Okay, the drop feed function is enabled and disabled. Drop feed is this one. For the workpiece unloading, when this arm move to here, the drop position. So you want the cylinder drop down and then unload it, or just move here and drop down. Okay, that control this. Okay, so drop feed function. Okay, you can select enable. Okay, so you can return. And the next one is the moving motor parameter. Okay, this moving motor parameter is for this one, for the unloading arm. Let us make the introduction. Okay, for this unloading arm, it is controlled by this step motor. Okay, that step motor, we will have the reference sensor, reference place. Okay, and also we have the the getting position, for the ready product, and another position is for the unloading. Okay, after we take the finished assembly product, and this arm we move to the unloading position and do the unloading. Okay, so we can set up it here. Okay, here is the menu. If you auto, you cannot move. Okay, if you select manual version, you can lift the arm behind, for example, so it moves slowly. Okay, yeah, by these two buttons. And here we can see fetching coordinate of this chart, safe coordinate, speed operation, speed 就是 production speed, yeah, maximum stroke. That means maximum traveling distance for the arm. Okay, this is the fetching coordinate. So that means you can set up the coordinate to get the finished product correctly. Okay, so this how to say, this clamp finger will move to the correct place to get the ready product. Okay. That means fetching coordinate. Coordinate for this chart. For this distance, you can set up it. For example, the arm, the clamp finger go to any place to make the drop down. Okay. And here go back. And this is the speed. This safe coordinate. Safe coordinate means when this arm go back to the reference place by the sensor, then it will not stop here. You just go to a safe place. Okay. For this safe place, you also can set up it. This is the pickup position, down position safety. We all have this low speed reside. And the lift cylinder. Okay, this is the lift cylinder. This cylinder can up and down, and this is the finger clamp. And here we have fingers open and close fingers. Okay, now we make production. For example, press pickup position. Okay, pickup position. Okay, so you can see there is a pickup position. Okay, so here is the pickup position to get the ready product. Okay, and this is down position. Down position means after get the ready product, we can let the finger to go to the drop down place. Okay, now I will play this down position, right? Down position. Okay, you see here. This is down position. Okay, to drop down here, drop down. the down position. Okay. Another one is the position safety. This is the position safety. Okay. Position safety. I will grab this one. You see, safe position. This is safe position, right? Okay. This is reside. You can please reside. Yeah. If you, yeah. This is reside. Okay. We show the lift cylinder. Okay. Here, let it go to the pickup position and do the lift cylinder lift and down. Okay, this action. Yeah, this is. Okay. And this is the finger open and close finger. Okay. Close finger. Okay. Yeah. So after it close, it will get the ready product, and then we can lift it. Okay, and then let it go to the down position. Okay, yeah, and then we can let it open, drop down. Yeah, then finish. Okay. Another one is a servo batch. Servo batch parameter sighting. That means for this one, for this screw assembly, this servo motor setup. Okay, the first one is locking torque. If you want the screw tightness, increase the screw tightness, you can change this. The maximum is 3.8. Okay, for example, change 2. Okay, here change 2. And this is the lockdown speed. Okay, for this servo motor, you can change the speed. Okay, for example, change to 750. Okay, you can change the speed. The next one is this is the detect function sighting. All this we normally always keep it enabled. Okay, detection function. So for some sensor safety test. Okay. Next one is nail feeder detection sighting. So this nail feeding, we must make this enabled. Okay. And this is password modification. This is the user. This is the engineer. Right. For engineer, if you want to normally the machine is set up well at factory, you don't need to change some machine parameters. If you want to change some, you can select the second one, engineer. The code is 66666, and then press OK, and then press log on. Then we increase the level. Okay. Then we return to here. So next one is the stop mode. For stop or clearing and stop immediately. That means when we do the production, the off duty is over. Okay, we want to shut down the machine. This is stop. After we press this stop button, you want the machine stop immediately, or just finish the rest production. Okay, we can select by this button. Right now it's stop mode, stop or clearing. That means after we press the stop button, the machine will not stop immediately. It will keep working to finish the rest product and then stop the machine automatically. If you change this, select stop immediately, that means after you press the stop button, the machine will stop immediately. Okay, normally keep this. Okay, this page is for input and output pages. Okay, you can check here. This is input. You can see next page. Okay, finish. Then we can check the output signal. You see next page. Okay, finish. Okay, so we can return. Okay, then we will come to the last line. Okay, here just show the system information. It cannot change. Okay, yeah, that means be at later. That means the machine is ready. Okay, you don't need to reset it. It's ready for production. No nail. Okay, with nail. That means here already have nails, it will show with nails. Okay, no stick. No stick means don't have the sticks fitting. Okay, if already make the wood stick fitting, here will show has stick. Okay, this is no stick, and this one is a 3 workstation unpicked material. That means the wood disc. If the wood disc doesn't load it, so it shows unpicked material. Okay, if you already have the wood disc loaded, it will show it's ready. That's like green color. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The last one is for the manual page. For the manual page, you can check each action by the manual button control. Okay. So we can check it briefly. So we can see here has the numbers: number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay. Then for the machine have 5 stations. The first one is number 1. Okay, and this is number 2, and this is number 3, and this is number 4. This is number 5, but we don't show number 5 here. We just use this page, moving motor parameter setting. Okay, so this is unloading arms we set up here. Okay, now we go back menu. Okay, we see the first station. First station you see here, this is a rise drop cylinder. Okay, rise drop. That means this one. This is a rise drop cylinder, up and down. Okay, now I'm showing up and down. See? Yeah. Up and down. Yeah. Okay. Next one is a shift cylinder A position, shift cylinder B position. That means this is a shift cylinder. This is A position, this is B position. Okay, so we can try to work it. Okay, but you see, when we press station cylinder B position, it happens alarm to show abnormal magnetic ring or feeding level or rotating cylinder. Rotating cylinder means this one, rotating cylinder. So that is the safety position. That means for this one, when you this cylinder travel, you must make sure it is a rotating cylinder at horizontal place. Otherwise, it cannot move back. Okay, so we can go back here. So let's show the rotation cylinder firstly. Okay, it is. Yeah, we can see here. This is the rotating cylinder. Yeah. Okay, at this place we can let it move. Okay, so we can press shift the cylinder B position. Okay, now we see it back A position, B position. Okay. So here, workstation clamp open, clamp on. That is a clamp open, clamp on. Okay. So normally for the wood stick loading is not like this way. It should be like this. Okay. It should be like at this place. At this place, and we show the clamp. Okay. This is a clamp open, close, open. Yeah, this is 2 buttons. For example, I will show the correct production cycle. Okay, so the wood will come here. For example, this cylinder, stop cylinder will lift. Okay, and okay, now the wood just come here, and then we let it clamp on. Okay, then lift. We just go here, lift. And rotate, okay, and go back here, and drop down, and open clamp, yeah, and then lift, yeah, and then, yeah, rotate, yeah, and drop down, and wait for another wood stick, yeah, loading. So that is number 1 station loading per size. Okay. Now we finish this. We will do this. Okay. After we loading this, we rotate the table. Here is turntable. Yeah. So the wood will come to the drilling the drilling station. Okay. So for the drilling station working, we must use the clamp to clamp the wood and then do the drilling action. Firstly, we will let this cylinder go forward, and then the finger clamp it, and the drill head by this cylinder come down to the drilling. Okay, then lift, then open, then go back. Okay, I will show it. Okay, you can see here the number 2 station. You see right drop cylinder, rise and drop. Okay, you can show it. Yeah. So firstly, we start the drill. Okay. This is So this start the drill. Start drill. This is dust cleaning. Okay. Start this. Okay. Then we show the rise and drop. Yeah. See here. Yeah. Okay. Then we will let the cylinder. See here. Cylinder shrinkage. Cylinder extension. Okay. So yeah. See. Okay. Here is the workstation number 2 workstation. Clamp open, clamp on, clamp on, open, clamp on. Okay. Now the wood is fixed, right? Then we will let the drill come down at this button. Try this one. Okay, we do the drilling, right? After drilling, we can lift it. Okay, and then we will let the finger open. In here, open. So it opens, and then let the clamp go back. Okay, so yeah, go back. Then we will stop this. Yeah, stop the drill. Now we will rotate the table. Okay, I press the turntable. Okay, then it goes to the number 3 station to loading the wood disc. Okay, we press next page. Here is number 3. For number 3, we see the number 3 station right drop cylinder. This is the right drop cylinder. This cylinder lift up and drop down. Okay, we show you. Yeah. Next one, shift cylinder A position, cylinder B position. This is the shift cylinder. Okay. A position, B position. B position, A position. Okay. And this is a clamp open, clamp on. Yeah. See. Clamp. Okay. Feeding cylinder. Okay, this one feeding cylinder initial base feeding cylinder feeder level. So the English isn't translated very well. Okay, the feeding cylinder means this one to feeding the wood disc. This is the cylinder. Okay. So it is at initial position, okay, and another one is the feeding position. So right now the cylinder is at the initial position at the reference place, okay. So when we press this one, it doesn't work and it happens alarm window. That means here we already have a wood disc. It cannot do the feeding. Okay, here is a safe sensor checking, so we cannot do the loading. I will take off this, load here, then we can do it. Okay, Firstly, when we load this wood disc, we will let the cylinder drop down and the finger close and lift and move to the loading position, and then the cylinder come down and open and move back. Okay, so firstly we will let the cylinder come down, okay, come down and clamp on, and then lift, right, and then move to B position, yeah, and then we let it drop down, okay, and then open, yeah, and then lift, and then go back A position. Okay, now here is empty, right? Then we can do the feeding cylinder. Okay, we can press this button. Yeah, now see here, can do the new loading. After reloading, we can let the cylinder go back to the reference place. We can press this one. Yeah, it will go back and ready for the new feeding. Okay, so after we load this wood disc, then we turn the table to the screw assembly station. Okay, now it's come to here, ready for the screw working. Okay, now here is empty, no screw. Then we can send a nail. Press the send a nail button. Okay, yeah, press this one. You can see here. Yeah, so the screw is come here, and then we can start the servo motor for the screwdriver. Okay, for this one. Yeah, so this drive. We started the servo. Okay. Then we'll do the number 4 station. Let me check. Lock and pay liter drop cylinder, right? This is the main cylinder. Drop down and lift up to do this. Okay, up and down. So we can check. When we do the screw assembly, we must fix this wood disc and also fix the wood stick, right? So we can check here. For the wood stick, we use this cylinder and the finger cylinder. Okay, this will feed forward, and the clamp will clamp the stick and fix it. For the wood disc, we use this one. Okay, we use this one to clamp it. Okay. Now here, melt it here. Get clip open, get clip closed. We can make showing. Get clip. Okay, you see, this is a wood disc. Clamp, right? To fix the wood disc. Okay. Next one is a contraction cylinder. Okay. You see, when I press this one, you can check here. It controls this cylinder to fix the wood sticks. Okay, normally forward, and here is a position clamp open and close. That means a finger, clamp finger. Okay, now you can check here. Close, close, open, close. Okay, right now it is closed. The wood stick is fixed well. Then we let the main cylinder drop down. Okay, this because this cylinder is big, we need to keep pressing it. Now we finish the drilling. Okay, then we can let it come up. Yeah. So for this finger is acted automatically when the main cylinder drop down. Okay, and now we will loosen the clamp and let the air cylinder go backward. Okay, so here press open and press let the cylinder go back, right? And now we finish this, we can stop the servo and then turn table. Okay, now the finished product, you can see it already screwed, right? The finished product do the unloading. Okay, for the unloading, we don't work here. We will go to the next, this page, moving motor parameter. Okay, now we will let how to pick up a finger go to the pick up position. Okay, now it go to here and then let the cylinder come down. Okay, here cylinder, lift cylinder, you can press it down. Okay, come down, and then close finger, let clamp the ready product. Yeah, and then we will lift it. Yeah, and then let it go to the unloading position. Okay, here is the down position. We can press the down position. Okay, now it come to the down position. Okay, so then we will open it. Yeah, or you can have another action. You let the cylinder drop down a little. Yeah, drop down a little, or don't drop. Okay, you can see. You can let it at this position to open the clamp, or you can at this position to open the clamp. Okay. Now, for example, at this position, I do the open the clamp. Okay. Here, I will press finger open. Now, yeah. So it finished the unloading. Okay. Then we finish the introduction for the manual production.